Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Godhwani's Dynamic Diary. I'm your host, and today we have got a fantastic episode lined up for you. If you are passionate about photography and tech, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. So, here we go. All right, guys. So before we start with our today's topic, Photoshop application and some related errors which is going on right now. So I'm going to help you how to fix the issues, and if you're having any issue with installation, any error 1, 2 or any 99 errors, I will help you to fix it. And before we proceed, let's know something about the Adobe company. As we already know that Adobe company is a major software company known as creating tools that help people designing, editing and share digital content. Their products are widely used by creative professionals around the world. And let's move to the Adobe Photoshop. As we know, Adobe Photoshop is one of their most popular tools. It's powerful program used for editing and enhancing photos. With Photoshop, you can adjust colors, add text, and create stunning graphics. It is widely used by photographers, artists to make their images look professional and polished. So, I think this is the all introduction that we need for the Photoshop application. Today's topic is Photoshop application as we know stuck on splash screen. So now let's tackle a common issue that many Photoshop users face. The common application getting stuck on the splash screen. If you have ever encountered this problem, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, we have got some solution to help you out and get back on track. So as you look into the screenshots, you can see this is the issue you guys are also facing. How we can fix it? This was the known issue going on recent past, and now this has already been fixed. Let me tell you how. This was happening because of some beta applications like Premiere Pro Media Encoder. Now, once the issue has already been fixed, what you have to do, you have to look into your computer if you have any beta application installed. First, please close all the Adobe applications from your background as well. If you are using the Windows computer, use the Task Manager to close the all background applications related with Adobe. If you are using Mac, then use the Activity Monitor. After that, simply go to your Creative Cloud application beta section and update your all the beta applications if is related with Photoshop, Media Encoder, Premiere Pro. Update them all. And once it's updated, try to launch the Photoshop application and it will work. Please try. Hopefully these tips help you to get Photoshop application up running and smoothly again. If you're still having any trouble, leave a comment below and we will do our best to assist you on the next video. Alright then, that's wrap up today's episode of Godhwani's Dynamic Diary. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more tech insights. And thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.